I purchased 2 hives in May 2023, and I wonder if they're in good state after overwintering. In May, just when I got them, the first hive looked like this, so it had a lot of bees. And then the last time I checked in early December, and the hive looked pretty decent, had a lot of bees on the bottom, not as much as in May, but that could be expected. And right now in the end of February, so the bottom frames look pretty empty. I just have one frame that has some brood on it, so the cluster is not that big. And this is the original queen that I got with the hive. I'm not sure how old she is. If we take a look at the second hive, this is how it looked in May, so it had a lot of bees as well. And then in December, I could see that it did have less bees than the hive number 1, and right now in February they do look weaker than the other hive, but not by as much as they were in December. So I wonder if I should do anything to them, or they'll just grow back to their original state.
Oh, there she is.
I'll be doing my next inspection somewhere after middle March. So if you guys have any suggestions for what should I do, let me know in the comments, and I'll keep you guys updated how the hives are doing.